Hello, Professor. My name is Hardeep Singh. Today I am presenting one question of financial mathematics. My student ID is 800307140. I hope you are doing well. Actually, that question is for my video presentation. For doing that question, firstly we need to understand what is question demand and what is question meaning. So start with the reading of question and understanding that question. A renewable energy of company in Ontario is planning for the 5-year project in installing new solar panel in multiple facilities. The project is require initial investment of dash million in a column that is here 17 million. Okay, with this schedule and maintaining an upgrade of outlaw of dash million in the start of year 3. I remember start of year 3. Okay, and this B column is 4 million. Okay, at the result of this installment is inflow of dash million and anticipated at the end of each last 4 year. Okay, so that is C column 9 million at the end of last 4 year. After that, additionally, a final inflow of dash million is expected in the year 5 for selling equipment. Okay. In D column is 12 and the project capital cost is dash percent is 13% compounding annually. Okay. Based on the information should be project is initiated. Okay. So that we need to find NPV. Okay. So that start with the firstly make a timeline for that is like that for project is 5 year. So that firstly 1 to 2 1 1 to 2 2 to 3 3 to 4 4 to 5. Okay, like firstly the investment that is the beginning of the first year that is 17 million like here, but we just put a 17 million, but at the end we need to multiply with the 1 million for the getting correct answer. Okay, ठीक है 1 million is initial investment is 17 million, put COF is minus 71. Okay, after that a maintenance in this beginning start of year 3, it means beginning of the year 3 that is 2 to 3, it is beginning for the third year. So that just in the timeline that amount is entered here, and that is the beginning, but don't forget the year 2, there is no inflow and outflow. So that for that just enter 0 for CO1 and the frequency of 0 is also 1 because that 0 is only for the second year, but for the third year that is also one outlaw or one inflow of 9 million, like that is a result of that installment that is given from the investment of very beginning. Okay, for that CO for that reason for CO2 the formula of CO2 is equal to 9 minus 4 because that is inflow minus outflow. Enter. Oops. Dot. Enter. Okay, that frequency is only for the third year is 5. Third year is 5 for 1. For F2 that is 1, and after that in the fourth and beginning of fourth year and fifth year that is only 9 million of profit, like for CO3 that is 9, but that frequency of 9 million is 2, so that FO2 is 2, FO3 is 2, and the at the end of the fifth year, like fifth year, the end of the fifth year is 9 plus 12 because that is 9 million is profit and the 12 million is expected for selling after selling of all the equipment. That for that we got a formula for both, adding both 12 plus 9. Enter. That is 21. Okay, that frequency of 21 is obvious 1. Okay, and one more information we have, like that is the i- invest interest is IY is 13. Okay, just put it here. Oh, don't forget that is only putting I simply put numbers. What don't forget, at the end we need to multiply with the 1 million. Okay, so that firstly solve that sum, like that is financial mathematic formula. For financial mathematics we need to do a VA calculator, that is here, like I have inside of my screen. So that for that inflow outflow we have CFO and CO, that is here, CF icon. So that firstly we need to investment for entering 17 with the minus sign, because that is our expenses are always minus. So that enter, like put here. For CO, firstly need to press and icon CF is minus 17, that is here. Then after putting that uh, amount we need to press enter. After for next putting amount we need to press that icon is arrow, that is here, the upper side, that is CO1, that is for the second year, that is 0. So that just put 0 and then enter. After that, that frequency of 0 is 1, that is for 1 year. So that frequency is 1. Frequency means the year of that amount. Okay, just for rechecking, just put 1 and enter. Okay, for next one, the third year, that is here, the frequency, the CO2 is 5, because that is also expense or inflow. So that after getting we have a positive 5, just enter 5, then enter. Don't forget to press enter of every amount. After every amount for that 5, the frequency is 1 year, because that is only for third year, just enter. After that CO3 is 9 is here. After that press enter. That frequency of is for the 2 year, the one is 2, just put 2 and enter. After that one, in and the last we have CO4, that is for the fifth year, that is both the inflow, so that plus both inflow, the 9 is and 12, that is 21, just put 21 then enter, and the frequency of 21 is 1. Okay, after putting every value, just do clear, and then for IY, that is here, that is I for no, don't for that is I, that is here, just here, don't enter second. Then I is 13, that is interest, 13, that is enter. After that, we need to find NPV, that is for NPV, just here, that is 0. For getting that exact value of NPV we need to press compute icon, that is the corner of the that side, that is here, like put compute. Just we got an answer for 10. But don't forget, I just amount for calculation I just put a simple value, but that all amount is in the million. So that for that, bus just multiply with 1 million. In 1 million we have 6060, then just multiply We got answer 10,071,000 of 12.08. Okay, that is here just 10.071101208. uh, I just wrote I just write a short note for you for reminder here for getting correct answer. We need to multiply with 1 million. Okay, so that okay. Thank you, Professor. I just